everyone! Let's go through how to use the color wheel. We can open up colors here on the top right to access the color wheel. This outer disc allows you to select colors. The inner disc allows us to choose the tonal value up and down as well as the saturation left and right. If you're interested, I'll leave a Create and Edit Color Palettes playlist for you in the comments area. In case you need it to be larger, the inner disc can be expanded with a quick reverse pinch. Here you can select a relative value by double tapping in 45-degree segments. The same can be done for the disc center. Double tapping for color selection can also be done without expanding the inner disc. We can return the disc back to its normal position with a quick pinch. Don't forget to check the useful links in the comments, subscribe, and thanks for watching.